I might just call and catch a play. I might just come see you today. You wait, I'm stuck up in my ways. But love it when I'm playing games. That's the only way we get away. We stuck together.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel once again. Today's video is in collaboration with Alipearl Hair Company. They sent me over this deep wave HD lace wig that I have on now, and as you can see, I did do like a half up half down type of style with it, and I also added a bow. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this look as well as how I installed it. And if you would like to wear this wig right out of the box without styling it, I'm going to show you guys how to do that too. So if that sounds like something that may interest you, just keep on watching. Alright guys, so this is the box that my wig came in. I love this new packaging that Alipearl has. It's like this gold iridescent type of color, and yeah, it's really cute. Let's go ahead and unbox our wig.
It's all for the taking. I always say, oh, be better on Saturn. None of this matters. Dreaming of Saturn. Oh, yeah. Karma's really real. How am I still here? Just seems so unfair.
Guys, now let's get into the details of this wig. This wig is 24 inches and the texture is deep wave. The lace is HD. It comes with their single knots, meaning there's only 1 to 2 strands on each knot, making it a lot less visible. Lace is pre-plucked and pre-bleached. This is what the inside construction of the wig looks like, and it also comes with an elastic band. So guys, before we install, I'm just gonna go ahead and take some of my powder and just add it to my cap. If you guys have not followed me in a while, I do not do bald cap methods anymore. I just feel like that is an unnecessary step. So I'm just making sure that my cap is kind of blending in with my skin complexion, so that once I put my wig on, you won't see like a line of demarcation where my cap starts and stops. So yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and try the wig on right out of the box per usual, so you guys can see how the wig looks right out of the box. First impression, the curls are so pretty. I love how big they are, and I really love the single knot lace. It just looks a lot more natural around the hairline. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the lace off now, and then we're gonna get into gluing it down. As you guys know, because I say it all the time, I do have a pretty small head, so I often do have to cut around the ear tabs of the lace. I love that the lace wigs come a little bit bigger. That way you can customize around the lace. So that is a plus to me. It's not like a negative. I just went ahead and cut around the ear tabs of the lace to fit my head better. And this is what the lace is looking like. That lace is cut off and the wig is fitting perfectly. I'm just gonna go ahead and take my melting spray and just install the wig like normal.
I'm a hometown hero. Niggas, green like CeeLo. These niggas do anything for some C-notes. I work hard. Hit Mercedes, buy some free cars. I know, this nigga's worse off. Maybe my sense of reality is turned off. Who the fuck knows? I just make songs. Who am I to sound how this shit goes? That's sarcasm, by the way.
You wanna be my hero.
Now that the lace is tacked down, I'm going back in with the same powder and just adding that around the lace to make it blend in a little bit more. And then I'm just going to take my clips out and show you guys how the hair looks in its natural form, its natural texture. I love big hair, so I think this looks so cute. But I'm going in with my Lotta Body wrapping foaming lotion and I'm just going to add this to the hair. This is my absolute favorite foaming lotion. I think it does not weigh the hair down and doesn't make the hair feel crispy or hard after it dries. It keeps the curls nice and soft. So I'm adding that all throughout the hair, and as you can see, it didn't take much to define the curls. That's one thing I will say that I really do love about this wig. It looks really good when it's in its wet, you know, juicy curly state, and it doesn't take a lot of product to define the curls. I do notice with a lot of other curly hairs that it takes like the whole bottle of mousse just to like define the curls. So that's one thing I will say about Alipearl's deep wave hair that I've noticed in the past and now. So guys, this is what the wig looks like if you wanted to wear it right out of the box, but we are not going to keep it like this. I'm going to go ahead and style this hair in a updo. So let's get into it. I'm putting my edge band on because I really want this lace to melt in. Since we're doing an updo, we don't want our lace lifting or anything. So went ahead and put my edge band on, and now I'm just going to start off by taking out those 2 strands in the front of my hair, and then I'm just going to grab some hair on both sides. I do want the middle part to still be there, so just grabbing hair on both sides and a little bit in the middle of the head and just putting that into a ponytail. I'm taking my spritz just to make sure the hair is nice and smooth and just combing the hair with that product. And yeah, then just going ahead and putting it in a ponytail. That edge band with these earrings just was not cutting it, so I had to take my earrings out. But getting back into the styling of the hair, I'm just smoothing it, making sure that it is as smooth as it can be and as tight as possible, and then just taking my ponytail holder and putting it in a ponytail. Don't judge me, y'all. I used this ponytail holder before. That's why you see little strands of hair on it. But yeah, just taking that mousse and redefining those 2 pieces of hair in the front so it can be super curly. And then also just adding a little bit more mousse to the hair itself so that my curls can be super defined. That juicy curly look, that's what we want to give. So once those curls are defined, I am going back in with a little bit of my spritz, not too much, and adding it to the hair just to make sure that once this hair dries, the curls are still nice and defined. So I took my lace band off, and as you can see, the lace is melted, honey. The lace is melted. I'm not gonna do the traditional curled baby hair since this is curly hair. Just adding some mousse to the sideburns and defining those curls. That's it. And y'all, I'm going ahead and put my earrings back on so I can show you guys the finished look. This is what the hairstyle came out to look like, and I think it's super cute. As I was filming this, I just kept asking myself what would make it look even cuter, and I went ahead and added a bow. I think that the whole bow and ponytail look is just super cute and so fun and girly, and it just gives the look that extra oomph. Alright guys, so that concludes today's video. Let me know down below in my comment section if you prefer the updo style that I did with the little bow, or if you prefer it right out of the box and bust down middle part, juicy curls. So let me know which one you guys prefer. I absolutely love this updo style that I have going on. I'm not gonna lie. I am going to Mexico next week. I'm so excited. I may vlog for you guys, so stay tuned. But I most definitely will be taking this wig as one of my looks, and I may just wear this hairstyle. I'm not sure yet. But guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Leave me some feedback, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Smooches.